Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through dupe kottanji model fancy soft silk sarees. The material used is soft in nature and light in weight, and these beautiful collections are having a contrast kottanji border along with a contrast rich pallu and plain blouse. And these beautiful collections you are getting in a price of 800 rupees only, along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For making orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. Please avoid making direct calls, and for quick updates you can join our WhatsApp groups. The links be there in the description. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.